Meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, Arv, I never got your TikTok.
I got you.
What? What? How'd you do that?
Let's see what she did it. WhatsApp gives awesome things with new updates. The new update is tap to share WhatsApp number. Following this tutorial, you don't need to share WhatsApp number with old ways. Try the new method. Tap to share WhatsApp number. In this tutorial I will show you how to share WhatsApp number with using QR code. So, I am using Android and iPhone to this tutorial. In your mobile, check the WhatsApp user profile. Then you will see a QR code with your name. It is not here. You should update WhatsApp to latest version. If you are using an Android mobile, you can use Google Play Store to update it. Or using an iPhone, use the App Store to update latest version to WhatsApp. When we click on the QR code, you will see a page like this. This is the QR code we should give to scan other device. This is the other device. Please use the latest updated version to do this. QR code not showing old version of WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp setting you will see a QR code like this. I am going to scan now. Okay, you can see now. WhatsApp account here. You can save it after doing this. This is the tutorial. Is it work or not? Please comment me below. Subscribe me to watch more video tutorials. Thank you. See you again.